Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing a clean signal path. Set amp or die gain to unity and stop any clipping. Once done, bypass pedals and return the EQ to flat so you hear the raw tone. Next, pick a consistent reference, a riff or open string drone, and play at your normal volume. This gives you a repeatable bass line. Use headphones or the room at mix volume. It's the only way to judge EQ changes accurately and avoid chasing artifacts later. You now shape the guitar's character methodically. Always cut problematic bands before adding boost, because subtraction clears mud more musically. Use a narrow Q and sweep the midrange to find honk or boxiness, then make modest cuts of 1 to 4 dB. This frees the tone. Next, control low end under about 120 Hz for thump and tighten with a gentle boost or cut. Finally, add measured air and pick definition above 5 kHz to place the guitar in the mix. You finish by validating choices. Flip the EQ bypass to a /B and confirm each change improves the sound. Once happy, save the preset and test the guitar with drums and vocals at mix volume to ensure it sits correctly. Small plus or minus 1-2 dB tweaks are normal. If something goes wrong, like harshness, narrow cut between 2 and 6 kHz or lower amp presence, then recheck gain staging. If the tone still misbehaves, return to flat and repeat the sweep with fresh ears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.